wanted to show you how you can take an assignment and change the submission tool on it to include an external tool, which will allow students to ultimately complete an assignment as a Google Doc, a Google Slide, or a Google Sheet. And so I'm going to kind of walk you through what that looks like and how we set that up. The benefit to doing this is that it will automatically make a copy of the Google file for the student, and they can submit that file multiple times so that you can check progress as well for that. So we're going to start. You'll see that I'm in a summer course. You can be in any course you would like. Make sure that you kind of know where the Google file is that you're going to be using. If you're in your Google Drive, kind of like I said, know where it is. If you click on this little folder right here, it'll show you. I can tell right now that the Google Slides that I'm going to be using is in this PD Resources folder. So just make sure you know where it's at. We are going to come over here to Assignments, and we are going to add a new assignment. And I'm just going to do a really simple kind of all about me. I get to know you that week 1. We'll put in some instructions. Click the blue link below in order to make a copy of the Google file. Remember to change the name of the file to your first and last name. Okay, so really in terms of instructions, that's all you have to do. The last thing you may want to remind them is to hit the blue submit button. Okay, so here is how you make it into a Google extension. We're going to scroll down here to where it says submission type, and we're going to change that to external tool. Right here, I'm going to click find, and it's going to be the one that says Google Docs Cloud Assignment. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And what you're going to see here is all of the folders from your Google Drive, the My Drive. If you have something in your shared drive, it's not going to show up here. So make sure that whatever Google file you're working with is located in My Drive. So we're going to scroll down because I put mine in the PD Resources folder. I'm going to click right there. You'll see there's several things here, but there's that All About Me Google Slides that I was looking for. So I'm going to click on it and next choose Submit. And then you can hit the blue select button and it's right there. From there, everything else is the same. You can decide when you want the assignment to open and then when you want that assignment to close. So I'm going to give them through the 26th at 11:59 p.m. to submit this assignment. And last, I'm going to hit Save and Publish. Please excuse my dog drinking water. So for the most part, this is what the student will see. You've got the instructions here. It's indicating to the student that this Google file is going to actually make a copy for their Google Drive. So students are going to receive a copy of this document and they can modify it. Students can choose to type inside here. You see it's a little bit small, so what I would recommend is that they hit this blue link and it will open up a new tab, and this is their copy now of that Google Slides. So they can edit this as much as they want, and it is not going to change or touch your original Google file. The other thing we want to make sure is that we kind of start teaching them to make sure they're titling it with their first and last name. Make it a little bit easier for them as they're organizing things in their Google file. So once they're done there, they would complete all those edits that they wanted to make, and on the student end, you would see a blue submit button right here, and they would hit submit when they've completed it. To see the student submissions, all you need to do is hit Speed Grader, located right there, and it's going to populate in the Speed Grader window just like any other assignment would. So I hope this helps. Let me or one of our other Canvas gurus know if we can help you out in any way.